Good morning, student. I'm your Stephen sir from ICRA English Medium. Today, I'm going to teach you subject English, standard 9, and the book which I'm going to use is a Beehive textbook, chapter number 7, Packing. So, Packing is a story about three friends who are getting ready to go for a journey. Thus, packing summary will help students to understand their story in a simplified form. It follows the packing session of three friends, Joram, Jerome, first friend Jerome, second is Harris, and third one is George. Thus, it begins with them starting the most important thing of a journey, packing. This story is an extract taken from Three Men in a Boat by Jerome K. Jerome. In her, Jerome is the narrator himself and writes about the experience he has while his friends decides to start packing. Further, it takes us on a hilarious ride about three adults who struggles to do a basic thing as packing. Packing summary will take you through the nuisance they experience in addition to their dog Montmorency contribution. Similarly, it is also shows his other two friends are not that great when it comes to packing. Okay, now I will tell you in details. As Jeremy, Harris, and George are ready to set out on a journey, they start packing for it. Being the narrator, Jeremy described how the packing experience went. He was seen that Jerome is quite confident with his packing skills as he handles it all alone, while in reality he wishes to simply supervise the packing session while making his friends do the 100 work under him. However, they listen to him and let him handle it all by himself while they sit and relax. This does not impress Jerome, nonetheless, he gets to it. Finally, Finally, after a long packing session, he packs the bag up while his friends watch him quietly do all the work. Soon, Harris tells him about the shoes that he did not pack, and Jeremy will have to reopen the bag to make space for them. Thus, after learning about the shoes, Jeremy remembers his toothbrush, which he did not pack in order to find it. He empties the hole just for one toothbrush. Also, alas, he finds it inside a boot and packs the bag again. Then that we see that one more query arises for the soap by George. Consequently, this irritates Jeremy so much that he does not pay heed to it and packs the bag anyway. However, to his mistake, he has to reopen it again due to his spectacles being locked inside the bag. This packing session finally conclude at 10 o'clock. So we see that after taking such a long time to pack, Jeremy other two friends packed the hampers themselves to show him how is it actually done. However, they are also similarly and break many things including a cup into pieces. Further, they squash tomato and tread on butter while also smashing the pies. In addition, there is salt flying here and there during his process. Thus, after much chaos, they try to put things back in order. However, it is not as successful as their pet dog, Monto Morsi. Words and thing. He sits on things meant to be packed and climb into the jam as well as crushes lemon as if they were rats. But finally the final packing ends at around 12:50 in the night. After a tiring packing session, they decided the time to get up for the next morning, and George dozed off before engaging in this conversation. In the end, Jeremy and Harris marks 6:30 as the wake up time and go off to sleep. So the conclusion. To sum up packing summary, we learn how packing can also be a tedious task if not done correctly, and that life is always better with friends. So this was the explanation of this chapter. Thank you so much.